Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm running through with you how I make my signature dish, potato Gruyere. So first of all, you're going to want to crush 4 cloves of garlic. I like to make mine as small as possible. Then wash some potatoes. You'll need to peel these and use these in your dish and have them sliced. You want to go ahead and boil your potatoes for about 4 or 5 minutes, not until they're soft, just until they're dense. Potatoes are boiling, I'm going to butter and line some ceramic dishes with peeled and sliced courgette. You then need some Gruyere cheese, some nutmeg, some salt and pepper and some full fat cream. And obviously you've already got your chopped garlic and that's all ready to go. So I'm going to show you how I layer the dishes to make the perfect Gruyere potato dish. This really is just a repetitive process. First of all, I'm going to add nutmeg and salt on top of my sliced courgette. Then I'm going to go and add a layer of Gruyere cheese and some pepper, but I've just put the nutmeg, the salt and pepper all in together. I'm also going to add a layer of garlic and spread that all out evenly. I like to have all the ingredients out in front of me so it just makes the whole cooking experience easier. The Gruyere is already grated and my potatoes are now boiled, so I'm going to go ahead and slice them. I'm then going to start placing them on top of the mixture we've made already, and I'm basically just going to repeat the same process, so we'll go through that one more time to make sure that you've got the recipe as well as you need it. So in no particular order, we're doing grated Gruyere, we're doing nutmeg, salt and pepper, and then we're going to sprinkle over some chopped garlic. I'm making 2 dishes today because we're going to have one for dinner tonight and then one again at lunchtime tomorrow, and it always tastes so much better, guys, when it's warmed up the next day. So I finished with all the ingredients on top, including the grated cheese, so that will melt in the oven, and I'm just going to pour my extra thick double cream over my 2 dishes and make sure that the whole dish is basically drowned in cream so that the cream can soak into the potatoes, leaving them nice and moist and just creating a better potato dish. I then put my dishes on a foil tray and I pop them in the oven on slow for 2 to 3 hours. Obviously you need to check your oven temperature and decide how you want your dish. I like my tops of my potatoes quite crispy, so I just like to cook it slowly for a while. Serve and eat right away. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching today and please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.